channel. In this video we are going to review Portronix Todd 8. It's a mouse which is rechargeable, has type C and has some features that you may be interested in because this comes at a very good price, and let's talk more about it. So this is the pack, and of course this is right now not in a sealed pack condition because I have used it for more than 4 months right now, and because I wanted a very in-depth understanding about this product before I come and discuss with you, so I thought I'll take more time. And so yeah, so this is the box, this is the mouse. Obviously it comes little more wrapped up, but because I have used it, so I want to be very genuine about it. And some manual stuff which I have not touched, and a type C which again I have not touched because I'm sure we have other cables like mobile charging and all those things which you can use, it won't be a problem. Talking about the mouse, this comes with a small this what you call dongle. It comes with a dongle which you can actually put it to your system. It's a very conventional USB 3.0, not a type C, so please be noted about that. And talking about the design, it's more like what you see in Nothing phones. You can see the inside out of the product, but also very nicely put. If I have to talk in detail about the looks, the scrolling thing is actually made up of plastic, but it has this chrome look, what you see in cars, the chrome finish, which gives you a metallic look. It has two buttons here, which is actually one for the DPI. DPI is basically the sensitivity of mouse movement, and usually gamers use it, but I think if you get used to it, there are more applications to use this feature, especially when we use different systems right at home. Sometimes you move with a MacBook and then you switch to some big display like 32-inch monitor, or maybe much more than that. In our education field, there are the smartphone touchscreen which are like more than 100 inches. So over there also you get this flexibility to just with one touch you can change, like you can call it like 1x, 2x, 3x of a speed movement. And then there is this button which is my favorite button. I don't know exactly what it is called, but it is more like it hides everything that's on your desktop and works very flawlessly with Windows. For example, you have so many tabs on, and if you press that, every tab goes in and everything goes minimized, and that's how you can use this. The scrolling function and everything, it's smooth, it's very silent. Maybe sometimes I'm working from home and just beside me my kid is sleeping, so my system is more preferring the silent stuff more than the tick 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 stuff. So even the type, if you see, if I'm pressing it, uh, it just doesn't make any sound, but you have a small feedback, like you feel you're pressing it, which is I think enough. I might just take it closer. I think this is enough for me. About you, it's more about personal choice. Now looking at the back, if you see very closer, you can see the dust. The dust usually gets collected. Also, when I bought this part, and this part came with a sticker which they said ki just remove it the time you want to use it, like the very beginning. So I removed it, but if you see very closely, I want to be very open about it. It collects little bit of a hair, all the dust which can come around the room and all those things. So you can clean it. I have not cleaned it because I wanted to show how it would look in 4 months, because buying something white comes with little bit of cost. So this is what it is. And now talking about some benefits, okay, this can be connected through dongle. As you know, dongle gives you one PC connection, but then with Bluetooth you have 1 and 2. You can connect to Bluetooth, thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, where you can connect to more devices at once. So this does that. You can quickly switch between 1 and 2, just like the Bluetooth 5.2 headphones that you use it. If you're using it, it switches, but you have to press a button over here. For example, if you see this button, if I press this, there is a lot of indication that I'm pressing, okay. It shows that I'm on Bluetooth 1 right now, but again, this what do you say, this continuous beeping means it's not paired with anything. And same with 2, it's a different color, again a different indication, blue and green. It also says key it's blinking because it's not paired with anyone. The moment it pairs, it just gets one color which doesn't beep. And And there's one more, which is the red one, which is something that I'm using right now for my PC. I'm using this for Windows PC, and I'm very happy about it. It does its job. It's very good with the hold. I'm usually a Mac user because of the office, the editing stuff, and everything. So when I'm using my Windows system at home, I want something with the same ergonomics. I know most people don't like the Magic Mouse, which is the Apple product, but I got used to it. You can't help it. The product just stayed the same for like decade, I guess now. So I got used to it. Now I just want to have something like that. So this is the closest design you can find if you are super used to the Magic Mouse design. And if I have to talk more about it, the charging part, okay, should you be worried about the charging? Yes, you should, because every 2 weeks you have to charge this. I think because of Type C, the charging part is not bit of a worry, but the battery backup, every 2 weeks, there may be a time you're very close to a gaming and you don't want to put a wire and all those things. So you just be sure, try to charge this once in a week so that you do not have this situation where it's out of battery and you want to charge it again. So yeah, that's about it. That's the review. And it's a physical smooth process to connect. Once you connect, you use it. If you switch off the PC, it gets disconnected. You do not have to go back and switch it off. Do not fall into all of that trouble. Use it whenever you want, don't use it whenever you want. The battery goes into standby, and the battery, which I said for 2 weeks, is accounting that standby also. So do not worry about it. And when you switch on the system, just one tap and you're good to go. It can just work seamlessly. So yeah, and talking about the warranty and all those things, it's very standard. It's 1 year warranty, and prices will get fluctuated, but the price that I got it for is 499, and it's from one of the quick commerce. And I will add the link, though I do not have any affiliation or something, but I will do add a link so that you can find a best deal that is possible. And do share maybe do share your feedback about this review. And also there are more reviews that are coming. One is the Nova ring, which I'm wearing right now, if you see this ring. And the another one is the Gabit. We are making a 1 year Gabit ring experience. I mean the review of my experience using Gabit ring for 1 year, and more products. So for that, please subscribe the channel. Ensure that I am one of the person who's on your notifications, and do support us. Us means just me. Like the channel. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and comment feedbacks and all those things. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much.